Here are the top questions that you should be asking when you attend an open house. 1. How long has the property been on the market? Furthermore, what is the history of the property? Meaning, it could have gotten relisted yesterday, but before that relist, how long was it on the market? How many times has it been on the market and then terminated, on the market and suspended? 2. Have there been any recent renovations or upgrades? And if so, were there permits? Another great question to ask is, are there any expected developments to come up in the area? Here's one that's interesting to ask, but I wouldn't just trust it at that. And that is, are there any problems with the property or any defects, anything to be fixed? That's not something that you want to just trust someone's word with. You really want to do your due diligence and look into it for yourself, but asking the question is still valuable. Now, the last one is a little bit of a tricky one, because if anyone ever asks me this, I wouldn't answer. And that's not because I have something to hide or I'm being shady, but giving too much information does put your clients at risk. So this question is, why are the sellers selling? Any good realtor probably wouldn't answer that. But it could just be a casual answer like they're looking for a bigger or smaller house. Based on what the realtor says, you could find some strategy in this. So those are some questions that you should be asking at any open house. Mind you, there's so much more. But if you have any questions, always reach out. I would be more than happy to guide your process.